You can enable a guest account for a sub to use. We're going to swipe up from the bottom. In a previous tutorial, we set up a password on your account. Let's input that password. So now we're in your account. We're going to swipe down from the top and select the person icon. Click and hold. And now we see Add Guest. This is going to switch the account to the guest profile. We're going to select Agree and Yes. So now I'm in the sub user account, and this is the guest profile. Now to get back to your account, we're going to swipe down from the top, select the person icon, click and hold. And at this point, we can either remove the guest account or we can return to the owner. So let's return to your account. Remember, your account is password protected, so we're going to swipe up and enter your password. So now we're back into your user interface. This is what a sub will see when they try to access your board. So they will swipe up from the bottom, and because you are password protected, they can't get into your account. So they would need to select this lock icon, go to the top right, and then select the guest icon. This is going to switch the profile to the guest account. They need to select Continue, and now they can use the Opera browser to get to the internet to do a Google search. If they want to use an instant whiteboard session, they just need to go to the pink power button and then select the whiteboard icon. And now they just swipe with their finger to right and then X out. You may want to familiarize your students with how a sub needs to get onto the guest account, and that way they can assist a sub when they are in your room. Be sure and check back on the Connect site for more tips and tutorials.